Hello everyone. In this video lecture, I'm going to explain you how to use mirror command in Autocad. Let's say I'm drawing some shape, 2D planar shape. Like this one. I want exactly the same shape in the opposite side with respect to this line. So for creating that, I am going to use mirror command. Now I am going to select mirror command. It is asking me to select the objects to mirror. I am selecting the whole objects, then enter. Then it is asking me to specify the first point of mirror line. I am giving the first point as this one, and it is again asking me to specify the second point of the mirror line. So this is going to be my second point of the mirror line, and after that you have to press enter. Now I got a mirrored object.